Well, this is pretty nice. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we're doing a quick little review of this smart electric pump. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. And honestly, so far, this thing is pretty cool. So you can charge it through USB-C. It also comes with the adapter for your 12 volt. It has a bunch of information on the side here. There's a light on it, which is pretty cool. So if you're trying to do this in the dark, there's a light on it. You can use, oh, there's even an emergency flashy light on it. Oh, and a red emergency flashy light. That's kind of nice if you're stuck on the side of the road trying to put air in your tire. That's a cool feature. So this is pretty neat. You can set what PSI you want it to go to, but if you look here, it's got a car on it. If you click the M button on the side of it, look, now it's looks like a motorcycle, a bicycle, like your basketball, things like that. That's pretty neat. So you can set it to what you want, and then you can set this as well. So when it gets to this pressure, it's going to automatically turn off. So according to the manual, the USB-C is input. So this is where you'll charge it with USB-C, but this one is output. So you could actually, it comes with the USB-A to USB-C cable. So you could plug it in here and you could actually use this as a battery backup to charge your phone or other USB-C devices if needed. We are going to go put some air in my low tire and see how this works. Bonus, it comes with a bag and everything fits inside the bag. So you can store it in the back of your vehicle. That's a bonus. All right, we've got the low tire in question. We got everything hooked up and we're gonna push this button and we're gonna let this do its thing. You can see that it's at 28 and we want it to be at 43. That shouldn't take too long. So I switched it from 43 to 42 because apparently that's where it's supposed to be. And it's at 41.5. It should automatically shut off once it realizes it's at 42. But we will find out. There it goes. It turned off. It did it, Jamie.
I mean, that's what it's supposed to do.
That's pretty cool. I like that it's compact. I like that it's got a light on it. So if you're like trying to fill up your tire on the side of the road, you can turn the light on. It has a flashing red light for emergency purposes.
And if your phone dies, you can always charge it.
And if your phone dies, you can charge it from there. Don't unplug it from there because it'll let all the air out from there. If you guys are looking for a nice inflator for your car, for your bike, something easy to travel with, easy to charge, we definitely recommend this one. I like how small it is. I like that it's just small, easy to travel with, very compact. And it filled my car tire. That made me happy. We recommend this.